Here's the EcoEdge waterproof floating Bluetooth speaker. Let's take a look here. It's got a bottle opener. So it's got all the control buttons right there. They light up. It even has Siri and OK Google Assistant. You can take phone calls, and it has a thread on there. So if you wanted to get a RAM mount, you can mount it to a RAM mount. I just Velcroed mine on. Subwoofer, and there it is. You connect two of them, make it even louder. $44.95 on Amazon. I got mine on eBay. I know I've seen some on eBay selling for about $30 refurbished. Mine I bought brand new. I think I got it for around $40 brand new in the package. EcoConnect. Pretty good speaker. Let's see here. I know it says it has pretty 20 plus hours of playtime, which I have had mine going for a few days without charging it several days. So it does have a pretty good battery. I did not run it the full 20 hours, but I did, several hours here, several hours there, and I've never had a charge. I just charged it for the first time, a couple days ago. So same old thing. You can connect more than one. Let's go take it outside. Let's go throw it in my kid's little baby pool, see if it is waterproof. Let's go check it out. Okay, so here's a speaker. It says the microphone's right there. Here's your controls up top. It's got the bottle opener like it says online. Never tried that out. And it's got a little thread there if you want to buy a RAM mount, or you could even put it on a tripod if you really wanted to. Subwoofer in the back. I'll tell you right now, the subwoofer is pretty non-existent, but that's not why I bought it. I bought it because I want to be able to hear the music while I'm on the water over the engine noise and all the other noise out there, the wind and everything. So on the side here, there's a little flap that helps keep everything dry. You want to turn that on. I got my spare phone with me out here, so I'm gonna pair it up to my spare phone so we can test it out, since I'm using my main phone for the camera.
Connection successful.
It's connected to my my phone right now. Let's see here. So what we're gonna do, turn this thing on, go to the Bluetooth. Hold on the Bluetooth on the speaker. Made it visible. Let's see. Scan again. There it is. Connecting. Pairing. I'm not sure if... Here we go. Yep. I wasn't sure if...
Connection successful.
Okay, we're connected. I wasn't sure if the phone that I'm recording on was gonna cause an issue since it's already paired to that one, but apparently not. Alright, so let's go test it out in the water. Spotify, little aha. Okay, so that's the sound right there. Where's the volume? It goes a lot louder, but I'm not gonna crank it up. My neighbors are out and stuff. Alright, let's throw it in the baby pool. I'm going to leave my phone in here in the garage. And the baby pool is probably about maybe 20-30 feet away. Let's see if it stays connected. Alright, so we're going to make sure that this is closed. Okay. Alright, looks like it lost connectivity, possibly. Let's grab it. Oh no, it didn't. It's just can't hear it underwater, that's all. But it floats like it says it does. And it is waterproof because it's still playing. Not bad. Alright, so cool. What I'm gonna do now is, so the phone is still on top of the jet ski in there. I'm gonna walk. Let's see how far I can walk before it disconnects. So. Oh, getting a little hiccup there. Okay. Okay, it's still connected. Walking down the driveway. Alright. So my garage is over there. It's still connected. Let's see. Okay, still connected. Alright. So I made it to the sidewalk. And now it's really bad. Yep, okay, that's about as far as I'm gonna get. Alright, I gotta say I'm pretty satisfied with that. I don't intend on being too far from this. I'm probably just gonna toss my phone inside the glove box there and have my speaker mounted on there. So, you know, if I decide that I want to use it some other time, the distance is pretty good. It is waterproof. I shut it off. All in all, this is going to really serve its purpose on the jet ski, so I'm pretty excited about that. I'll put a link in the description to the Amazon. If you have any questions, just give me a shout. Thanks for watching.